Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Tabby BNPL. Review my usage experience. Tabby BNPL Review My Usage Experience offers a buy now, pay later BNPL service. Its main purpose is to allow shoppers to spread the cost of purchases over several interest-free installments. The target audience is likely online shoppers looking for flexible payment options. Key features likely include a simple application process and installment payment plans. Their website provides details on specific terms and conditions. Tabby's positioning seems to be focused on ease of use and transparent pricing. They advertise no hidden fees, which is a significant benefit in the BNPL market. Their website emphasizes a quick and straightforward application process. The service's availability depends on the merchant's participation. You can check if a specific retailer supports Tabby on their checkout page. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Tabby. Getting started was incredibly easy. I simply linked my card and within minutes was approved for a credit limit. The interface is clean and intuitive. I could easily see my upcoming payments and past transactions. I recently used it to purchase a new laptop from an online retailer that partnered with Tabby. The entire checkout process was smooth and seamless. I chose to pay in 4 installments, and the payments were automatically deducted from my linked card on the scheduled dates. The whole thing worked perfectly. I had a quick question about modifying a payment date and their support responded within 24 hours via email. That was helpful. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the automatic payment reminders. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. I had to access everything through my browser. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Tabby. It's a convenient and transparent BNPL service that made a large purchase much more manageable. That's my overview of Tabby BNPL Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.